Now, if this NWC situation didn't teach you a lesson, I don't know what is going to teach you a lesson. Now, I want you to answer these two questions. Are you okay with NWC being the sole provider of your water? And two, are you okay with JPS being your sole provider of electricity? Now, think about it and then leave your response in the comment section below. Now, you see your water gone for what, 2 days and everybody are up and down and a panic and I say, boy, NWC need to turn on back the water. Now, what I want you to do right now is just think about your single source of income, your no savings, your no emergency fund as NWC or JPS. So if something was supposed to happen right now, this very second moment I'm talking to you on this camera, you lose your job, you get fired, the worst just happened, right? What will you do? Now, a lot of people went into panic mode. They can't bathe, they can't do this and they can't do that. All because water gone for 1 or 2 days. Now, here's the thing. If you had a small jug or a small keg, right, you maybe could have cooked your meal for 1 day. Now, if you have like a bigger bucket, now, I not even know the gallon them or liter, but if you have like a bigger one, then that could sustain you for 2 days. Now the man with a big large water tank now, guess what? He's sitting down, smiling and could care zero when NWC turn on back the water because they have lots of water in reserve. Now the guy with the stream run at the back of the house now, guess what? Them not care, them not business because them have an alternative source of water other than NWC. Now you have a lot of people now cussing the government, cussing the employee, but warm to yourself. Why are you not mad at yourself? Why are you not cussing yourself for not taking responsibility to have like a storage for yourself, as a second container, a backup? Now, the water cut off, 2 days, everybody a panic. Is that any way to live? Now, here's what I want you to do. I want you to think of NWC as a single source of income and your small jug, your medium-sized jug and your tank as your emergency fund or your passive income. So if you lose your main source of income, you will definitely be destabilized for a little while. But guess what? You're not in panic mode because if you're the guy with the tank, yeah, you can live a little while. But if you have the guy with the little stream around the back, you can sustain yourself for a longer time. Now, the guy with the little savings now are going to immediately hit that panic mode button. And this is the thing, a lot of people don't know the importance of things until an emergency strikes. So, for example, same water again, nobody never knows it's important if you have like a little tank until water cut off, right? Nobody never knows it's important. And likewise, a lot of people are not going to know that it is important to have your saving, your emergency fund, until that emergency do happen or the employer just email you and say, hey, we no longer need your services, and that's it. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Are you going to go in panic mode, or you're going to be blaming the employer when there are several things you could have done to avoid the situation? So if you don't take this NWC water lesson as to why it is important to have savings, emergency fund, multiple stream of income, then I don't know what is going to make you take it serious or make it be important. All the Bible speaks about 7 streams of income or more. So, like, if you don't have more than one, it's like you're committing a sin. That's literally how I see it. You're disobeying the Bible. I'm not a religion guy, but I'm just saying. So if you're not okay with NWC or JPS being your sole provider of the things you need, like your light and water, then why are you comfortable with a single source of income, no emergency fund, and no savings? Let me know in the comment section below. I'll be definitely looking forward for your responses. Thank you for watching. Oh wait, and I've done several videos on passive income and how to make money online. You can check out some of my other videos on that. You don't have any excuse as to why you have one stream of income if you're watching my videos from last year. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.